friends, how are you doing today? Come join me as we unbox together my newest diffuser noodles, the Mina Aria Diffuser. Tara, let's open it up. Let's open this baby up. But before that, I want to show you what other stuff I got with this order. And it came with 15 ml Christmas spirit. What else? 2 more oils in here. 5 ml peppermint and vanilla. So those are the things that I got with this Aria Diffuser. This is a mini Aria Diffuser. So this is actually one of the newest diffusers of Young Living. So I'm very excited to see this. I have almost all of the diffusers, and so we open this up from here. And if you open it up, this is what it's gonna look like. Here's the operation manual. It's just simple paper. Usage instructions, assembly instruction, features, product overview. Those are the things that you can see inside. The usual safety precautions, product specification. It has a coverage of approximately 430 square feet. Power 15.6 watts. Power supply 24 volts. Sound includes 12 minutes of preloaded sound. So meron siyang music. Just like the Feather the Owl diffuser, and of course the Mother Aria. So open. I need to put it down so I can pull it out for you guys. And I want to be very careful with this one because it has glass materials in it. So we want to be careful. We don't want to. So when you take, this is a whole box inside of the box. So there are 2 holes in there, and you open them up. There, and let's see. Okay, open it on this side, and I guess on the other side as well. So there, it opens up on 2 sides, like so. And then you push this up. Like I said, I want to be careful, so open on the sides again. There you go. And what do I do next? Okay, so there's an opening here. Okay, so ayan. Ayan na po. Nag-grease na po tayo. Lego construction. I just want to be, again, very careful with this. So I'm going to show you on one side. Let's see what we have here. So yeah, so this one. And there is a mahiwaga. It's a measuring cup, or it's a filler cup in there. There's 3 boxes. Let's go to the other side. Let's see what's in there. From the pull-out section, you'll see. Okay, so There. So from the pull-out section, you will get this package, and when you open it up, it has a it's a cleaning brush. There, it's made of PVC plastic and also plastic here, PVC material. So there, that's what it looks like. There's an imprint in there. I can't read it right now. I don't have my glasses with me. Also the instruction card inside. So there you go. It gives you the instruction on how to use your, or how to clean your Mina Aria Diffuser. Alright. And then what other stuff do we have in there? I have here the remote control. So the remote control looks like this. Okay, it's upside down. So it looks like this. There you go. Those are all the buttons in there with the YL logo. And that's what it looks like. There. And the bottom side. So it has 5 screws in there. There's I don't have a screwdriver to open this up. Phillips screw ba yan? I can see so well. So I think it's Phillips screw, no? Anyway, I'll try to put the information of the diffuser down below. And so that's what it looks like. Our remote control. Here you are. And so, pagkahaba-haba man ng posisyon, makaabot din. Okay, so I still haven't figured out how to open this up. Okay, so ganun na talaga siya. Okay, so 2 components, the top and the bottom. Is there anything else in here? Let's see, huh? So yes, there is the cord. Hold on, and there's still another surprise. Pag sinoli ko to, I don't know. Maybe I won't be able to put everything back. Okay, there's no more. There's more in there. I promise. What else is in here? Another mystery package. Let's see. Hopefully it's extra material, extra thingies. So, I don't know yet what they are for, but there. I don't know if this video will include the assembly. It looks like it's gonna need an assembly. Okay, and there you go. The top side, the dome, and then the cord, standard cord, and the main event. Alright, silica gels in there. Okay, so I think this thingy, if you can see, this thingy here probably goes in here. Just go that way or this way. I don't know that for sure. No, I don't. Does it fit? I don't know. This is really for this, or I'm just inventing it. It seems like this thingy, it seems like parang hindi naman. Let's see, I don't know. Where's the dough? So it looks like this, but it seems incomplete, so I don't know. But anyway, this is the bottom half. This is what the bottom half looks like. What does it say? Frozen there. This is the speaker. This is the light button, I think, and then front side, the Young Living logo. This material seems like it's wood, and there is the outlet socket, and here's the bottom. This is actually, I think, yeah, it's the power button. So that's what it looks like. Maybe I'll have another video how to assemble the Mina Aria, because clearly I need to read the instructions on how to do that, and clearly I can't see. There's a small see, there's a space here where it will go. Something will go inside of it, which I can't see the really yet, so sorry about that. But there, maybe we'll do another video for the assembly. It looks like this thing goes in here, right? There, see? Maybe that goes like that. I don't know. Maybe we'll do another video. I'll show you how to assemble this. I will read the instructions and we'll do it together. We'll assemble them together, and so that's it. That's what is inside the box of Mina Aria Diffuser. I hope you got entertained. I know it's bitin. I promise the next video we will assemble this, and look, in your screen it would look like it's like a little smoky, but it really is not in person, or again, malabo ang mata ko. So we'll assemble this together, and I will show you how to use it. And thank you for joining me today with the unboxing of our newest Mina Aria Diffuser. Thanks everybody, take care, have a great day.